Use the Stitch tool to make a selected NURBS edge curve attached to and conform to another edge curve. The Stitch tool is located right next to Blend. It's got color on one side. Right-click to see options. Choose a curve of the surface that you want to become flexible first, and then a curve on the surface you'll use to shape it. We'll select an edge on the trimmed patch and use the smooth level setting as the stitch style. The two curves become one with a pronounced rounded result. Using the position level setting combines the curves in a more direct style. Notice that the trim curve itself can't be chosen as the source curve of the stitch, but we can stitch another curve to it. As with the Skin tool, we have the simpler, better option to increase resolution. When stitching, the source patch gains iso curves. Seam alignment is used when stitching closed curves to adjust the start position of the source curve. Use it in combination with the simpler, better, and smooth position to preview the results of the stitch. After you leave the tool, you won't be able to re-enter this edit mode or undo, so save appropriately. The altered surface of the source object will extend only to the iso curve next in from the edge. So adding an iso curve using the Refine Patch tool before stitching can make a big difference. Use the Invert Edge toggle to flip the direction of the source edge if needed. To emphasize that the first object selected is the one that changes, let's select orange first, then the green, and show you the Invert Edge options again. Because the orange object is the source and the green is the destination, when we move the destination object, only the source surface is changed. Let's use the Object Selector ball to select in opposite sequence now. And you can see that we get very different results. Now we can move the orange destination and the green surface changes accordingly. Some example uses would be simple, flexible attachment of patches. Match the edges as closely in distance and CV count as you can. The orange plane is source to green and white, the white to green. Two-step stitching in combination with conversion. One for surface creation, a second one for attachment. Reverse selection order to alter alternate patches. Special effects like embossing a flat polygon by stitching a copy and using level as the position setting. Modeling multi-level construction history complexity. It's possible to stitch curves belonging to the same object, and you can build up a complex construction history hierarchy which can also be used in animation.